Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download songs on Spotify. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to download the songs, you can head over to the songs that you want to download. For that, you can search for the songs that you want. Tap on the search bar and type in the name of the songs that you are looking for. In the search results, find the song that you want to download. Tap on it to open the song's description page. Once you're in your desired songs or playlist page, you can see this download icon over here. You can tap on it to download this into your account. But in order to download, you need to have the premium account. Only then after, you will be able to download songs into your account. If you have a free account, you won't be able to download any songs. If you tap on this download icon, as I have a free account right now, if I want to download this song, I would need to subscribe to the premium version of Spotify. So that's it. That's how you can easily download songs on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.